guys, Devjit here from webseotips.com, and today's video I am going to tell you how to make a beautiful website by using Bootstrap 4 and by using some custom CSS, and I am also going to tell you how to make the parallax effect by using stellar.js. This is the stellar.js official website, and this is the parallax effect you can see here. See, the background is fixed and this text is scrolling on it, and in this video I am going to use this Bootstrap 4 object element also, and along with that Bootstrap 4 cards, and how to use some icons also I am going to tell you, and how to underline this. This is custom CSS actually, and how to use the carousel. And here I am also going to tell you how you can move all the navbar element to the right side. By default it will be in left side, but using some extra classes you can make it in right side. Okay, so let's start. So here I take a standard HTML document, so I have to link up the CSS and JS file of the Bootstrap 4. So for the CSS I already downloaded the Bootstrap 4 CSS, so let's link up it. And this Bootstrap 4 CSS, and after that I have to link up the JS file. For the JS file link up I am going to use the CNDs, and for CNDs you have to come the Bootstrap 4 official web page, and from that you have to scroll down, and this CND session you can find these JS files. Okay, and you have to copy all the JS files, I mean whatever will be in between this box. So copy everything and paste it in before the closing of the body tag. Okay, and I need some custom style sheet also. So here you can see this, I made this one empty style sheet custom.css, so link up it also. CSS and custom.css. so after that you have to save it. So let's start our project, and first of all I have to create the navbar. So for the navbar you can write manually, and in this video I don't want to waste my time, so because if I write every code in manually then it will be a huge big video. So I'm coming here Bootstrap 4 official page, after that documentation, and so in this navbar just click in the navbar, and here there are so many kind of navbar in here. It's a full functional navbar, and I don't need that, I need this one. So just copy everything. Here you can see this copy, so copy everything, and after the body tag just paste it and give some space down. Okay, so after that you can see the live preview also. Let's see it, and see the number will come now. This number came here, and I need the number should be in black color. So for that I have to change here, so I have to make it number dark, and BG also I have to make it dark. Okay, so let's save it and check it how it's look like now. See, nice beautiful black color number come, and now I have to make everything in right side. I mean this home feature spacing and display, whatever the links is there I have to send it to the right side. So for that you have to come this navbar name you can see here, and after that you have to write one extra class, should be email and auto, this one. So save it, and after that check it. See, everything comes this side, and whatever the link text if you want to change you can change it from here. Like here I'm about, and this is I'm giving the features, and this contact us, contact something whatever you want, and I don't want this disable, so remove the class disable and save it. After that you have to, after I need the carousel one, so carousel also you can get the ready-made code from Bootstrap 4, just type the carousel. So here is the carousel, and from the click here, and after that you have to scroll it down. I need the carousel with the text, so just first of all copy this one, and after that I have to link up the text also. So just paste it, and after that this portion actually there, after scrolling little bit more, you can see that there is a carousel item, and this I need actually. Okay, so I have already that, so till here to there, I mean this one I have to copy it. Okay, and after copying you have to come in the this one, and after this image you have to paste it. Okay, and whatever you want in the heading you can write. I mean here I am going to write some custom dummy text. Okay, in the H3 I am typing here. I am better to make it H2. I need bigger text, so make it H2 first, and just paste it. And for the paragraph also I have to copy some dummy text. So yeah, it's ready now, and I have to do the same for second carousel and third carousel also. So let's copy this, and after this image just paste here, and here also just paste here. Okay, now I have to change this images source. Okay, so let's start from the first, and from the source first. For the first one it will be, I already download the image, and image should be in same size. It will look good actually. Okay, so slider 1 JPG, and for that, and slider 2 JPG, and for this I'm taking IMG slider 3 JPG. So let's save it and check it how it's look like. Okay, this is, see, beautiful carousel, and that carousel is come now. Okay, and if you want to add some button, you also can add here. I'm going the code for that, and just like after copying from here I have to take a button tag, button, and the class will be button, and I need the green color button, so that will be button success, and button success, and after that I need little bigger button. If you want bigger button, so that class will be button LG. Okay, and whatever you want you can write here, click here. Okay, let's copy that and paste it more 2 times, and here also just paste, save it. Okay, so make it style.css. Okay, so save it, and let's check how it's look like now. So here I can see this come in little downside. I need to push it up. Okay, so for that I have to come in style.css. It's my custom style sheet, and for here I have to add some class. Carousel caption, and it will be in top position, top of 35. So save it and check. Yeah, it's come in top now, but another problem is occurred. This carousel image is, I need little small height. Okay, so for that I can write some custom code in directly in HTML page. I have to come back here, yeah, there, and I need little small size, the small size in this. Okay, so apply some style, and style max width will be, I'm giving here 650 pixel, and I need to copy this because I have to use more 2 times. So in carousel inner and carousel item means this one, so paste it, and here also I have to paste it, save it and check. Yeah, it's coming good now. I need more smaller, I think better to take 600. Save it. Yeah, it's come now. So whatever the size you want, you can take. So after that, I need to change the color. You can, I mean, this coming in white, so I need to change this color actually. So for that, dot carousel caption, and after that h2, and for that color should be yellow, and carousel caption, and for the paragraph color should be green yellow, font size let's keep it in 18 pixel, and after that font weight should be bold. Check it. Yeah, it's coming perfectly. Okay, so I have to design now the icon boxes. So let's take a container, some gap. So the class will be container, and I need some margin in top, so I'm giving margin top as 5, and I'm taking a custom class for further editing. Okay, so close it. So in between I'm taking another row, in between I'm taking another class, so in between take call div class will be called md. I need total 4 icon box for every 3. Okay, in between take card. So here I am to some icon, so take I tag, and class will be fa dash home, because I need the home icon, and area hidden is equal to true. Close the I tag. After ending of the I tag, take another tag. Class will be body, close it. In between take H4, give some random text and taking a paragraph also, and wrote some random text here also. Just copy this session because same code I did not 3 times. So let's change these icons and the text also. So for the next one, take FA building and change the heading text also. And for the next, I want a clock icon and change the heading also. Sorry, this one, and for second or for the last one also, just change that. Sorry, change it, and here I want a like sign. So let's save it and check it how it's look like. I think I have to save something. Yeah, I don't save that, but it's not coming. So let's save it and check. I press it. It should come now. The text is coming, but the icon is missing. Okay. For the icon actually I forgot to link up the font or some CND. This is the font or some CND. I'll keep the link in the video description, so from there you can go and copy it. So let's link up it, save it, and check it once. See, the icon is come now. So I need some custom CSS to make it center and change the icon color and the text alignment also. So let's come back here and so dot main point, in between dot card, text align should be center, and for the icons color would be sandy brown, and font size will be, let's check the 30 pixel. And for the card I don't want this border. Okay, see here some border is coming now. I don't want this border, so border none. Save it See, the border gone now. So after that I have to design the about us section. Let's check my original design once. Yeah, this about us section and who are you, this section also in need. Okay, so let's start. So come down, take another container, class will be container and about us. In between take another row and take the class will be column D * 12. In between take a H for tag, text will be about us. Okay, let's take another paragraph. Let's take a word of 20 words. Okay, so after we have to come out of this row, take another row and go. I need some margin top, so one minute. Before here I need another class. I want the underline. So after this about us, I have to take another D. And class will be underline. I need this underline. So close the div and this is it from here. So after this div, take another row, div class equal to row, use it from here and here I need some margin top, so margin top will be 3 and take another div, class will be column D12 and text should be text align center. Close it After closing the div, to take the paragraph. Okay, yeah, that's it. So I don't want this here, I need it outside, so save it. Let's check how it's look like once. Okay, so I need some custom edit. So for the underline, write some CSS, save it, and check it's come or not. You have to save it first. Yeah, it's come perfectly. Then we have to design who we are session. So I have to take another container. Let's give them proper alignment. Okay. So the class will be container, and margin bottom should be 5. Take another row, and margin top will be 5. So the class will be called md5. So take the h1 tag, in capital that who we are. Okay, so after that take the paragraph. Now after that I need the underline, but underline should be a little bit different, so take another div. Class will be underline left. Underline dash left, and close it. Sorry, the div should be small. Okay, so after that I have to take another paragraph. Class margin top will be 3. Text aligned should be text justified, and I'm writing some custom class first at the styling. So about text. I need some random text. Okay, let's come. So after that I need a button. Sorry, button. Class will be button. Button custom, and I need a big size button. So let's close it. Give some random text. Okay, so after this div, this should be column d8. So take another div. Class will be column d4. Close it. Image source. So I am using this photo in it and give some alternate text. About class will be image fluid. So close it. So let's see how it's look like. See, it's come perfect. So after that, take another div. Let's write the style set for that. So underline left we need. So for the underline left, width will be the same, and font width will be 150 pixels. And height should be 5 pixels. And background color will be sandy brown. Save it and check. Yeah, this line come perfect. And need this some color custom style for this bottom. So dot btn custom colors. So color should be almost white, and background color should be sandy brown. Check it. Yeah, it's come. So okay, so after that we have to design this session, and so how do you offer. Here basically we need the yellow background and this heading, text and 3 cards. Okay, so let's start. So here I am taking another div. Class will be container fluid, and container fluid I am taking a extra class offer. Okay, and padding top I am giving 5, and padding bottom also I am giving 5. Okay, so let's close it, and after that take another div, and class would be container. Close it, After that, take a row. Okay, so after that, div class will be call md12. Again, I need text center. Okay, so in between I have to take h2. So what we offer, and let's take another paragraph. Before paragraph, I need the underline. Okay, so div and class will be underline, but I need white underline, so take class name, a manual class name underline white. Okay, it's the custom class name. It's underline and white. Okay, so after this underline white, take a paragraph, and for this paragraph I need some margin top, so margin top will be 3, and this I need the text center also. Okay, so and take some random text of 20 words. Okay, so after that, for this I have to write some CSS for this underline white. I'm writing here underline white, and for underline white everything will be same, just background color will be get changed. Okay, so everything will be just copy from here and paste it here and change that, and save it, and let's check how it's look like. Okay, it's there, but the background is not, background also white, so it's not visible. So let's pick the background. Sorry. The background will be offered the class, and background color will be yellow. So let's take some custom color. Let's take that. Save it and check. Yeah, the line is visible now, underline. Okay, so after that, need to take 3 cards. Let's come back in the source code. So I have to come out of this row, this one. So after that, take another row. So okay, and class will be called md4, and because I need total 3 cards, so I'm taking call md4. So after that, I have to add the image. The image is RC, so silver img slash image name will be the thumbnail one, and alternate will be ump1, or class will be card image top. Okay, so let's close it, and after the card body, div class will be card body, and in the card body I need the h5. So building construction. Building construction, and after that taking small paragraph. Let's take like 30 words. So let's come. I need this couple of time, so copy it. So paste it more 2 times. Let's check how it's look like. Okay, now I have to change the image and text. Okay. So let's do that. Change the image also, and change that also, and change the image. Okay, yeah, it's come perfectly now. Now let's our original design. How do you have to do? Because till now it's over. Still now we open. After that I have to make that our feature, and this underline, this image, and this heading, and this is the media object, and there will be some custom CSS. Okay, so let's start. So first of all, some place, and div class will be container. After that take another div, this will be DOM, and close it. Take another div, and that class will be called MD, and I have to take the heading. I'm taking here page 4. Okay, so features. After that div class, sorry, so after that div class will be underline, and after that let's come out of that row, take another class of row. Sorry, before that take a container. Okay. Let's move out of this container first of all. Okay, so take the class will be container, and I need some margin top. So margin top I am giving 5. Okay, close it, and give class will be row. So close it, and we can take the class will be column D6, and so close it, and we can have to take image. Yes, our source will be this one. So alt will be class will be include. Close it. So after that come out of this div, and in between row take another column D6, So it's done. So take a heading. So why do this? Okay, in between I need another until now. So the class will be underline let, and I need some margin top, maybe margin top 3, and here I am going to add some inline style set. So background color will be black. Height will be giving 2 pixels, and width up 150 pixels. I'm giving. Let's check 100. Okay, so now close it. So after that, in between the D, okay, leave it. After this, out of the D, take the P tag and give the class margin top 3. So close it. In between this margin top, take some text. I don't need that much, but it's good enough. So after that, I have to take another one. So dim class will be row. Now dim class will be media. We are taking the item, and class will be April. Some margin top, some margin right. Margin right I'm giving 4, and in between area region, and that should be 2. Okay. So after that, take the media body. Media body, and media body it is one page file. Class will be margin top will be 0. So edit something like 30 years of experience. page file 1. After page file, add some random text. Okay, I need this column D. Sorry, I need this row for some time. So copy it and paste it a couple of times. So after that you have to just change the text. And change the item quantity and define icon we need. Similarly do with the next one. And about this icon code, you can find it in front of some website. So let's change it. So paste it here. Okay, so let's see how it's look like now. It's look like that now. So by using some custom CSS, I have to make it like that. So come in the CSS. So I'll take some extra class here. Yeah, class is media. So for media I tag I have to edit. So media and I tag. Padding I am giving. So let me split it. Padding I am giving from all sides like 20 pixels, and background color should be at 363636. Okay, and color should be has EF B9 25, and border will be 4 pixels, of course solid, and color should be as EF B9 and 25. So let's see how it's look like now. That's come perfect. So after that we have to design the achievement section. So for that I have to take another container fluid. So class will be container fluid, and I need some custom class also, image achievement. So and after that I need to close it now, and after div class will be container. Okay, so in container take another row. Okay, so div class will be all entry 12, and in between I need the text center also. So write center class text center, and the text will be our achievement. Our achievement, and I need that underline also downside. So the class will be underline, and margin top should be 3. It should be inside only. Margin top should be 3, and just close it. Let's check how it's look like. Okay, sorry, I don't save it. So this is what save to preview live. So our achievement come. Let's make it bigger by dropping it using header tag. So let's select it and press Ctrl and 4. So yeah. So after this underline and after this row, taking a paragraph, class will be text center. So close the paragraph text, and here I also need call md12, sorry, call md3, and I need to apply some style also. Style will be font size, font size will be 20 pixel. Okay, so wrote some dummy text. After closing this paragraph, you have to take another row. Close it, and wrote, sorry, it will be MT3 margin top. So div row, and in between call md4 I have to take, because I need total 3 elements in a single row. So div class will be call md4. Okay, after that I have to do a card. Did class will be card. After that I have to keep the icon link, so I have to take I tag, and class will be FA building, dash O. So after that, area hidden will be true. Will be true. So close it. After that, I have to take the card body. So the class will be card body, and in between I have to take a history and give some title like 380 building. Okay, 380 buildings will be 380 building. After that, take a paragraph and put some 5 word. And after that, I have to need this copy this call MD4 couple of times with several text and other icons. So copy one more time and let's change these icons. So first one was the FA building. Now next one will be I'm writing if we go global. So if we globe and I'm writing like 78 plus branches. And for this, if users will be good, and here we wrote something 5,000 plus employee. Okay, so that's it. Save it and check how it's come, because I need to give the background and everything after that. Okay, it's come like that, no problem. So let's move in the CSS system to customize it. So my style set. So dot achievement. Let's check which class I take here. This one. So dot achievement, in dot achievement margin top I'm giving margin top, let's take margin top as 40 pixel, and margin bottom also giving 40 pixel. After that, padding bottom I'm giving 8 pixel, and padding top also I'm keeping same like 80 pixel. And after that, background image. So background image URL I have to browse the image. So in the image folder, I think I have that. Most probably this will be that one. Yeah. And after that, so give the semicolon, and background attachment will be fixed, and background size will be covered. Background size, you can see here background size. So background size will be covered, and after that color. So color will be little below. So after that, I have to design the card in this session. So I need for the card margin top I am giving 20 pixel. So after that I have to give margin top as 20 pixel. Text align should be in center. So after the color here I am going to give that sandy brown, and background color it should be transparent. So after that I am taking font width and giving 600. Okay, so check the preview now. I need a little smaller the icon. Okay, so I have to modify the I tag in the achievement class in between card class. After the I tag is there, I have to increase the size. So take dot achievement dot card and I tag. After that I have to increase the font size. So take the font size parameter and give it 40 pixel. Save it. Let's check it how it looks like. Let's look perfect now. Okay, so come back to source code, because now I have to design the team session. So for that you have to scroll down, come at the end of the coding before the jigger start, yeah, and that place. So take a div and class will be container. Close the div. Okay, so let's add some extra class as team, and I need margin top of 5. In between I have to clear another div. The class name will be row. In between the div take another div also, and the class name will be call md12, and text center because I want to text in center position, and close it. In between take a h2 tag and write some custom text like our team. Here I am writing. Okay, so after that you have to take the div. Sorry, I spell mistake. It will be div, class will be underline. The underline I already done it before, so no need to discuss again. After this row I have to excuse me. So after this row I am going to take another div, and the class name okay, for your visibility I do that actually. So class name will be call md4. Okay, so after call md4 I have to take another div for card. Now I have to attach the image. Okay, and try to take all this card image in similar size. It will look good actually. So attach the image tag. Okay, and add this one, make it okay, and now class will be card image top. Okay, so let's choose it. I need another class, that img fluid, for make the image responsive, and after that take another div of the card body. Okay, so close it
in between I have to take another h4 tag, and for that give the heading, and here give the name of the person, and after that make a paragraph tag and wrote the what is the position or what he do, like that. Okay, so here I doesn't need any margin, so I'm placing the margin top 0, and here I am writing that what he do, like web designer. Now I need to this call MD4 multiple times. Here we can add some social media icons also, so for that you have to take a p tag, and whatever the social media icon you want, you have to wrote this in between anchor tag. So for that write anchor tag with the empty target. I mean, you already know that has meant the empty target, and for the I tag you have to visit foundation website, from there that is for Facebook. Okay, so you need multiple, so I'm just doing that and come back. Okay, so here I copy everything and just going to paste. Now it's nothing like that, I'm taking multiple anchor tag, in between I write the I tag. Okay, so I need this call MD4 session more 2 times. Okay, so just copy it and paste it. Yeah, it's done now. Now let's change the images and name and their occupations. Okay, so here I'm browsing the image. Okay, I need that lady one. Okay, make it okay, and here also I'm taking that gents model space, so just browse, click there and okay, and after that I have to change the names, so give some name whatever you want, and change that web designer as web developer. Okay, let's change the name of the third one also. Okay, Elena Roy. Okay, let's change that web development, web developer I'm writing here, and for the downside for the Elena down I'm writing SEO expert. Okay, so save it. Oh, I think I do some wrong, for the red color is coming. Oh, I actually 2 times write the closing tag of the paragraph, so remove for everything. I mean, and okay, it's gone. And for the top one also I have to remove the double ending paragraph tag. It's okay now. Now let's check how it's look like. Oh, I think I have to write every call MD4 in between a row. I forgot that to take. Okay, and after that I need everything should be in middle alignment also, so take all this call MD4 item in between a row. So minimize this, and in the top take a row with some margin top, so class will be row, and I need some margin top, so MD4 I'm taking here. So yeah, cut it and paste it after that. Yeah, now it should come in a single column, single row. Yeah, it's come in single row. Now I have to go for custom style sheet to make everything and centralized, and change the icon color also. I think this Facebook and Twitter icon get attached with one another, so let's do that styling first. Okay, so for the team, and for in team everything, I mean text element should be center, and after that team card I have to change something for the team and dot card. Okay, the border should be none because I don't want any border, so border should be none. Okay, now I have to change that I tags, the color and the sizes. Okay, so I tag. Now first of all the color I am taking the chocolate color. Okay, and font size also I have to change it. So font size here I am taking 22 pixel, and after that we have to copy the whole thing, and let's check how it's look like. I have to save it. Yeah, I'm save it and come down. Yeah, the color come, but there should be gap little bit. Okay, so come back to the source code, and after writing the Facebook I tag you have to give a small space. Okay, I think that will solve the problem. Okay, that is okay, age step. Okay, that first of all after the age step session on the first tag I have to give some space from last and front. Okay, give some space in the starting also, and do it. Let's check. I think it will come now for the first one. Yeah, it's perfect now. So let's do it for the second and third one also. Okay, so yeah, give the space starting and in ending, and for the last one also give the space for yeah, no on top. Yeah, let's give some space and let's save it. It's perfect now. So I want this, when I going to hover on this, the size should be increased. Okay, so I have to write the hover property. So for that just come to the style set again and copy everything and paste it. Just after that add the hover effect, when scroll on hover and increase the font size as 25. Okay, so I have to add the transition also because it will look good. Okay, so let's add the transition. Transition time I'm giving, and transition. Okay, so transition, and I'm giving here 1 second. Okay, one is sorry. Yeah, save it, check it. I think it will work now. Yeah, it's working. See, let's increase the size on hover. Okay, now I have to design the footer portion actually. Okay, so come in the source code, come down, go to the footer tag. Okay, close it, and I need some additional classes for the footer, so wrote that class, and the class should be bg dark, and text also I need the dark because on the black background I need white text, so bg black, and text light, sorry, the text I need light because I need white color text. Give some padding top and padding down of 2 and 2, and okay, after that take div class will be class will be container fluid. Okay, because I need the full width, so close it and take another div call md4. Okay, and div class will be row, sorry, div class will be row I am to take. After that in between I am to take div class will be call md4, sorry, call md12. Okay, because I need the whole width, so call md12. So text will be centered. So close it. Okay, I need one extra. The text should be in white, so text should be light. Okay, now to write that have to be text light. After that you have to close the tab. Light, LIGHT, right, and text capitalize also, because I want everything should be in capital letter, whatever in between that. Okay, now in between wrote some dummy text in between E6 tag. Okay, so let's save it and check how it's look like now. Yeah, everything seems perfect, and yeah, that's everything perfect. Now I'm going to tell you how to add parallax effect in your website. So for that we need one special JS file which is extremely easy to use. Okay, the name is stellar.js. Here I'm showing you how you can make it. Okay, so you have to open the stellar.js official website page. From there let it be open. It takes some time. Okay, yeah, the stellar.js. Okay, now click there. There will be download option to download the jQuery file. Okay, so after that what parameter also use, everything in details will be in the documentation. Okay, so let's open that. That's the stellar.js official page. It will look like that, and from there you have to click in the download button to download the jQuery.stellar.js file. Okay, and in the docs everything will be written here, how to use it, how to use several effects and all. Okay, so you have to read the document for detailing. Okay, I want see it's working. Now to add the stellar.js, I'm going to tell you in another video. I'll give the link in the description. Okay, thank you for seeing this video.